Look at him. Something feels very strange right now.
I do not trust him at all.
Big body, dark beard, and very serious face.
He looks dangerous. We should be very careful. That looks like blood on his shirt. He is a killer. We must stay away from him.
Stop saying that. You are imagining things again.
We saw him clearly. He looks very suspicious.
He is just a normal neighbor. Do not worry.
Max hears something. Maybe there is danger outside.
He is cutting something. That looks like a real head. Oh no, this is getting really scary now.
Please sit down and eat your dinner quietly.
I still think he is very dangerous. Yes, I feel like something is wrong. Stay close to me, Max. Do not leave me alone. What is he dragging? That must be a body, I am very sure. He is going to hide it somewhere outside.
I am really scared. I do not feel safe.
Close the window now. We must hide quickly. He will see us if we do not hide. Wake up now. We need to check outside.
Mom is talking to him right now.
He might hurt her. We must help her.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to the neighborhood.
We must warn her before something bad happens.
Mom, please listen to us right now.
Please stay away from us. Do not come closer. We know what you did. You are dangerous.
I know it looks bad, but you've got it all wrong. No, that is not true at all.
That's what we saw.
That was just a smoothie. Yes, it is a tomato drink. Nothing scary.
Oh, maybe we were wrong about that.
This pumpkin is for soup, not anything bad.
So it was not a head like we thought?
No, it was just food for cooking. That bag was old trash, nothing dangerous.
So it was not a body at all. Oh, I see. That makes me feel much better.
I was digging a pond for my fish.
We were completely wrong about everything.
Do not judge people before knowing the truth.
We are really sorry for thinking bad things.
It is okay, you were just scared.
Look, Max likes you very much.
Oh, I think he does. He's a good boy.
Come inside and see my backyard.
This place is nice. Not scary at all. The fish are so beautiful and colorful.
I take care of animals
every day.
You are actually very kind and helpful.
Thank you, I appreciate that. You both are very kind children.
It is late now. Everyone go to sleep.
Good night. I feel safe now.
Stay quiet. Do not make any noise. I will break the window carefully.
The lights are off. Something is wrong.
Wake up! I hear something outside.
Max is barking. Someone is here.
Let's go inside quickly.
I see them. Something is not right. I will help them. Do not worry.
Stay close together and do not move.
Go away right now. Leave our house.
Come here. Come here. I saw you.
Hold the door tight. Do not let them in. I have an idea. This will stop them.
I slipped on something.
It worked. That was a great idea.
Stop right now and do not move.
Who is that man behind us? Leave this house immediately, or face consequences.
Take this. You cannot see anything now.
I cannot see. Everything is white. I slipped again. This is too much.
I got both of you. Do not move.
Please let us go. We will not come back.
I am calling the police right now. Yes, officers, please come quickly. There are intruders in our home. We are safe now. Everything is okay.
It is over. You are all safe now.
The police are here to help us.
You are under arrest for breaking in.
The bad people are gone now.
Thank you so much for helping us.
It is okay. You learned something important. I will cook something special for everyone.
Wow, you cook so fast and so well.
This food tastes really amazing. You are a very good neighbor.
You are a wonderful family too.
We learned not to judge people quickly. Yes, we must understand before we decide.